Hey guys, so I'm back with another video and I'm coming to you with a makeup look using some products from New Evolution. So keep on watching if you want to see how I got this look. So first I'm going to be starting off with my pressed powder. This is the New Evolution Pressed Powder Foundation, and I'm just going to use this actually as my transition shade and also to blend out that eyeshadow primer that I did apply off camera, which I did my brows off camera as well. If you guys want to see an updated brow routine, definitely thumbs up this video. Next, I'm going to go in with this deep black shade, again from New Evolution. This one is called Onyx. It is a matte black. You do see like shimmer specks in here, but it does apply matte. And I actually really like this shade. I'm just going to apply that to my outer V8. And then again, I'm going to blend that out with a clean brush just so, again, it's not too harsh, and to blend out some of those edges. And I'm going to go back in with a little bit more of that powder foundation just to blend out the edge so it's nice and seamless and it doesn't have a sharp line. Now I'm going to go in with this champagne color and apply it to my lid. This is called Versailles or Versailles, however you guys say it, but I believe it's Versailles. And I'm just going to apply that to the second inner half of my lid. And I really like this shade. It's super pretty and actually very easy to blend. Usually when I'm using like lighter shades like this, I found that they tend to be a little chalky, but this one actually was not at all. And then I'm going in with a clean brush just to blend out the edges. I'm going to line my upper lash line. I'm not going to wing this look out. And now I'm going to go in with my foundation. I did apply one layer off camera, not on purpose, but my camera cut out. But I do go in with this complete coverage foundation, which I absolutely love. Look at my skin, guys. This shade is a perfect match. The shade that I use is 104, and this foundation is bomb. Like I said, if you guys can find your shade, go check it out. Next, I'm going to go in with that same pressed powder that I used on my eyes, and I'm going to use that to set my foundation, which again, this powder is bomb, guys. Get your hands on this powder and foundation. They are so bomb. They're definitely like my current favorite foundation and powder combo. My skin looks so flawless and it stays super matte all day. I'm going to go in with my blush. The shade that I use is Flushed, again from New Evolution, and I'm just going to apply that lightly on my skin. And for my lips, I'm going to use this very pretty shade. This is like a very moisturizing lipstick. It's called Divas, of course, and I love this shade. It's super pretty. You guys know I usually go for a matte lip, but this lipstick was not bad. I really liked it. It was pretty hydrating. It's not like, I wouldn't say that it's a long lasting lipstick, because I feel like moisturizing lipsticks just are meant for you to, you know, keep this in your purse and reapply as needed. So just expect that, but it's super pretty. It looks really nice. just gonna sit and let you guys watch me wrap my turban. But that is it for the actual makeup look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoy. The products again are from New Evolution. I will make sure I have a link of all the products that I listed down below. I will also have a blog post on these products as well with a more detailed review. So make sure you guys check that out as well. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for stopping in and checking out my channel.